and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am so happy to show you how to do chocolate mousse. And viewers, before we continue, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Welcome. And our ingredients are, we have our whipped cream that we've already whipped, 350 ml. We have our egg white, that is 135 grams. We have our sugar, 50 grams. I've used the caster sugar. We have our chocolate, melted chocolate, 350 grams, and that is it. So we are going to, I had already melted this, but I feel it's a little bit cold, so I'll return it in the pan. We'll whip this, then I'll show you how we'll do it. Now I start introducing the caster sugar little by little as I whip. So I want to test and see if it is ready. What you do, you try to overturn the bowl and see if it doesn't fall. If the mixture that is inside doesn't fall, then yeah, it has reached the peak point. So it's ready. When it doesn't, that's how you test it and see if it is ready. Yeah. Now I'm going to introduce a little of the, it's called meringue, a little of the meringue inside the melted chocolate, little by little. This is how we make our chocolate mousse. It's a very nice dessert that can be served after lunch, during brunch, and any other time, after breakfast, after lunch, after dinner. It's very nice. It's a very filling dessert. So now after this stage, we put now our whipped cream. I had softly whipped it. Here you're supposed to be so gentle, because now this is cream. If you overdo it, it's going to separate. So here, when you're doing this, you're supposed to be extra careful so that it does not separate. Now our mix is ready. Our chocolate mousse it's mixed very well. I'm going to pipe it on these glasses, then I put it in the fridge to set. Now I am going to take them in the fridge so that they chill for like 30 minutes. Then I'm going to show you what we're going to do next after that. Viewers, our chocolate mousse came out so well. Viewers, you can see how it formed. It formed very nice patterns. You can see those patterns. It is a dessert that you can have it after a main dish, and it's very nice. It tastes so good. It's so yummy. It's so nice. Please try it and let me know. Come back in the comment section and let me know how it tastes, and I'll be glad. And viewers, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also remember to click the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, bye.